Hello. Thought for the day. A rather nice effect happened earlier at the farmhouse, which happens from time to time in spaces that are very balanced. Now, we know that when we walk into certain places, we feel instantly calm, don't we? Calm and relaxed. And in other places we walk in and we feel a little bit agitated, and it's all to do with the energy of the space that we're walking into, that we're sharing. We have an effect on the space around us, and the space around us has an effect on us. Now, when a place is particularly balanced and we feel particularly calm in that space, if we light incense or we do some white saging, the incense smoke will follow the balanced energy in the room and indicate to you that it is indeed balanced. I mean, we don't need the visual aid because we can feel that, but when you get that feedback from the etheric, it's very nice to see. And what will happen is the smoke will roughly draw a straight line through the middle of the room. It might be slightly elevated, and that's okay, but it will draw this beautiful straight line to indicate that the energy in that room, in that space, is completely balanced. Take a look at this. Can you see how beautifully straight and flat the smoke is? Obviously, if you were to disrupt the air, the smoke won't draw a straight line. But if you leave a room for just 5 minutes, as I did, to go into the kitchen and make a cup of tea, when you come back, if the smoke's like this really quickly, and it's happened really quickly, it means that your space is very, very balanced. And not only that, you can feel that, but you can see it. If the balance is perfect, you can see it visually with things like incense smoke and white sage smoke, Palo Santo smoke, that sort of thing. It is worth pointing out that if you buy incense from a manufacturer, it will have chemicals in. All manufactured incense has chemicals in. You won't get the effect happening then quite so readily because the incense in itself is not balanced. You're breathing in those harmful toxins and it's going into your bloodstream and that. But if you use an incense that's organic, like the incense that we make and sell, then because the incense and the smoke in itself is balanced, it will trace that level of balance found in the room, if indeed your room and your house is completely balanced. Look at that. That's great, isn't it? Isn't that a beautiful effect to see, to feel, to witness? And that's the thought for the day. The spaces that we occupy affect us. We feel differently in different spaces, but likewise, how we feel inside, our intentions and our actions, our emotions, affect the space that we occupy in a positive way or in a negative way. So it's important what's going on inside, the energy that we're pushing out, because it will over time affect the space that we occupy, the space that we live in. That's the thought for the day. That's a good thought, isn't it? It's good to ponder these things, these energy dynamics. Well, whatever you're doing today, hope you have a good day, and I'll see you next time. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.